Yeah. Are you gonna light ours? Just a few more before the actual fireworks start. Man, there's a lot more going on this year. Last year. Wow. Whoa. All right, hon. We didn't draw a crowd as much this time. I'm just like showing what it looks like. Come over there. Hi, hon. What fun we're having now, huh? Because now we can do it and not be ashamed about it, not be afraid.
Not be afraid.
Yep.
That's the most important thing. Not afraid.
This is nothing compared to these doozies.
We were the big hit last year.
Well, last year, look. Hi. She wants to watch our show. And that was it. You have a little friend there.
Yeah, I know. Oh, no, what? I'll give it.
Oh, okay. Schmuckos. Chumps. Excited. She's going to get one of our...
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Dice Yanina aceite. Así, mami. Así. No, 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 no. Aquí. Haces así. ¿Qué? Así. Así.
Yeah, those are tricky. Watch your hand, hon. All right. All right. Get a young kid happy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, you're bye-bye. Have fun.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Ah, these cute pooches. Oh, it's a puppy. Oh, the puppy. Oh. Bye-bye. She wants to try tomorrow. We'll meet you here tomorrow, 3 o'clock.
I gotta do this thing.
Oh.